Hi, welcome back, guys. So this is another portal side facilities, you can say, employee attendance portal, the module you can find on the Odoo App Store. I have explained everything in the descriptions, but let me clear here also in the video what you install the module. Let's do the configurations. So go to employees and connect the employee with the user, either its portal or internal. Let me open this employee in the setting tab. Here the user I have already connected. Now let's go to the setting and groups, and let me search for the related group that will give the access to the portal or internal user, and let me search here the group. So you can give the access custom portal attendance access. In the other line you can add any users, how many you want. Oh, on portal side, let me refresh. Now you can see the attendance one. Just let me click to open. So by default, you can see the check-in, check-out times and their working hours, and the status currently check-in are already out. And on the top, check-in and check-out buttons, smart buttons. So from the backend, let me first turn off means check out these users. I have already done. So actually this was one day before, so that's why I'm doing here. So I will test here on the live session. So let me check out these ones, select the same times, same date, and the working hours. So it's okay. mm, no, it's okay, and save. So let me go to portal site and refresh. So you will see the in progress is okay. Now let's check in to test the check-ins record. Now you can see. Now let me check out, so you will also see the checkout. And once you check in one day, you cannot check in again in the same days. If you want in the same day, so you can set up the code, is just like one line to change. So I think everything is clear regarding to this module and their flow. And smart filters, you can filter also their attendance, etc.